Socializing 96. I had a thought which I wanted to share. There is a common misconception which prevents a person from improving their character towards Allah, the Exalted, and the creation. People often comment that one should not judge others. Even though this is true to a certain extent, unfortunately, many people have completely twisted its meaning out of context in order to use it as an excuse to avoid improving their behavior. In reality, judging others is a vital part of every aspect of one's life. For example, a person judges others in order to decide whether to befriend them or not. One judges another in order to decide whether they would make a good spouse for them or not. A person judges a company before applying for a job there. An employer judges candidates in order to find the best one to join their team. A parent judges a range of tutors before hiring one for their child. A business owner will judge another business owner to determine whether to do business with them or not. The examples of judging others in respect to their behavior, character, and actions are virtually limitless. So to claim one should not judge others at all is simply foolish, as one cannot live in this world without judging others. In respect to Islam, a Muslim must judge the actions of others, otherwise they cannot fulfill the duty of advising good and forbidding evil in society. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 110.
You are the best nation produced as an example for mankind. You enjoin what is right and forbid what is wrong, and believe in Allah.
According to the narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4681, a Muslim cannot perfect their faith without loving, hating, giving and withholding for the sake of Allah, the Exalted. How is this possible to achieve without judging others? The important duty of aiding others in good and avoiding helping others in bad things cannot be achieved without judging others and their actions. Chapter 5 Al-Ma'idah, verse 2.
And cooperate in righteousness and piety, but do not cooperate in sin and aggression.
Many of the examples listed earlier are encouraged by Islam, such as finding a suitable spouse and choosing suitable friends. None of these things can be fulfilled without judging others. Judging the actions of others according to the teachings of Islam in order to sincerely obey Allah, the Exalted, and to encourage others to do the same is a vital aspect of Islam. In this respect, the judgment of people may seem to come from a person, but in reality, it is the judgment of Allah, the Exalted. Something no Muslim must scorn or criticize. Judging the ultimate outcome of a person, whether Allah, the Exalted, will forgive them or not, or whether they will go to paradise or not, or judging their intention, are something which a Muslim is not allowed to do, as these things are beyond the knowledge of a Muslim and therefore they have no right to discuss or comment over them. To conclude, Muslims understand the correct concept of judging others so that they more readily accept the constructive criticism, which is based on the teachings of Islam, from others, so that they improve their character towards Allah, the Exalted, and the creation. Behaving in this manner is a vital part of right guidance and success in both worlds. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.